Thank you very much, Shocks. As Tabs just pointed out, it was not good in the spring. They started out 0-4, the very beginnings of that team. Who would have thought now they follow and go through as potentially the #1 seed? We'll find out on Sunday. So looking ahead to the weekend, our first series will be taking place on Saturday. That is going to be SK Gaming and Rockout that will be facing each other in the 3rd place match, where of course the winning team will get the last European spot at Worlds.
Yeah, and on Sunday, it is the European LCS Semifinals as Alliance take on Fnatic. And while both of these teams will be going to the 2014 World Championship, only one team will head there as the #1 seed from Europe. Very importantly, Fnatic will be looking to take their 4th consecutive LCS title. Alliance will be looking to dethrone them. And I am very excited about watching that game.
Yeah, massively important as well, because the #1 seed means you avoid the #1 North American, Korean, and Chinese seeds. So something that everybody absolutely will want. So the 3rd matches, of course, will be kicking off on Saturday. That is tomorrow if you're in Europe. It's at 3 p.m. Central European Summertime. That is 6 a.m. Pacific. I expect to see you guys up bright and early for that one. That does it for us, of course, today from GamesCom. We'd like to give a special thank you to Impaler for joining us on the analyst desk for this match. And on behalf of myself, QuickShot, Joe, Deficio, Shocks, and the entire broadcasting crew, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.
Yellow start falling low. Can they finish him off? Jankos dives in. It's overpowered. Gets the kill. Reckless will fall as well.
Thank you, Rico. That's not going to happen here. You have to take the fight.
Or you just see what the ball. There's the ulti coming in. Overpowered also full.
There we go. Playing time, boys.
Wild growth will be using it. Reckless now in position. He's blown to pieces. That's surely it here for Rockout. It's a double kill coming out for Sullivan. He's still at full HP. After all this has happened on the top side, Peke goes down. It's all down to the final game of the day. Zaz's actually going offensive there. On to Peke. Shockwave in the back though. Sullivan goes low. There is Jankos. They get the 2 kills. But Fnatic will be the first European team to book their place at Worlds.
We are heading into the 2nd series where Alliance will square off against SK Gaming. Jesus goes in, catches on towards Froggen. He gets assassinated. Jesus, Svenskeren gets the lead. Shug gets taken down. Nif gonna get dropped as well. Leaps from Svenskeren. He gets the reset, gets the double. Freddy low though. He's gonna get dropped out here. Can Alliance pick up some kills? It's a 1-for-1 trade. Jesus hooked in. He goes down into double. Coming in for Tabs. Gets another. Gets on the triple. He's untouched to the side. He's getting 3 hits. Jumps in, pounces down, gets himself a double. Looks across. Candy Panda goes down. It's the triple. Goes across.